Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the wild world of hunting with the 8 coolest hunting gadgets ever. Whether you're an avid hunter or just love cutting edge tech, this episode is for you. But before we jump into the excitement, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future tech adventures. Now, let's gear up and explore the great outdoors. Number 1. Smart trail cameras. Our first gadget is a game changer for hunters' smart trail cameras. These trail cameras are a revolutionary leap from the conventional. No longer just tools for capturing images, these smart trail cameras are packed with features that redefine how hunters track and monitor their prey. Picture this advanced motion sensing that detects even the slightest movements, high-resolution imaging that captures every detail with clarity, and wireless connectivity that provides real-time updates. The motion sensing technology ensures that every movement in the vicinity is noted, providing hunters with a comprehensive view of the wildlife activity. The high-resolution imaging capabilities guarantee crystal clear pictures, essential for identifying targets and understanding their behavior. The wireless connectivity transforms the game, allowing hunters to receive live updates and remotely monitor the camera. This amalgamation of features not only enhances the efficiency of hunting, but also elevates the overall experience. Smart trail cameras are more than a gadget. They are a game changer for hunters, offering a sophisticated tool to navigate and understand their environment like never before. Number 2, thermal imaging binoculars. Next up on our list, we have thermal imaging binoculars. These binoculars redefine the hunting experience by granting you the ability to see in complete darkness and track heat signatures from a distance. It's a game changer that transcends traditional optics, bringing an unprecedented level of precision to your hunting game. In low light conditions or total darkness, these high-tech binoculars leverage thermal imaging technology to detect and display heat signatures, ensuring you never miss a crucial detail. Whether you're tracking elusive prey or navigating challenging terrains, these binoculars offer unparalleled capabilities. No longer confined by the limitations of daylight, hunters armed with thermal imaging binoculars gain a strategic advantage. It's not just a gadget. It's a revolutionary tool that transforms the very essence of how we perceive and engage with the wilderness. Number 3, electronic game calls. Elevate your hunting game with the cutting-edge innovation of electronic game calls, our third must-have gadget for avid hunters. These devices are a game changer, designed to replicate authentic animal sounds and bring a new level of realism to your hunting experience. The latest models boast advanced technology, allowing you to mimic a diverse range of animal calls with unparalleled accuracy. Whether you're targeting deer, turkeys, or predators, these electronic game calls give you the upper hand by attracting your prey with irresistible, lifelike calls. Gone are the days of manual calls. Embrace the convenience and effectiveness of electronic game calls to increase your chances of a successful hunt. Number 4. GPS tracking collars for dogs. Attention hunting enthusiasts with canine companions. Our fourth featured gadget is a game changer, GPS tracking collars for dogs. These innovative devices seamlessly blend technology with the great outdoors, ensuring you never lose track of your four-legged hunting partner. Discover how these GPS tracking collars provide peace of mind by allowing you to monitor your dog's location in real time. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, these collars offer precise tracking, customizable boundaries, and even activity monitoring features. This gadget enhances your hunting experience, allowing you to focus on the thrill of the chase while ensuring the safety and well-being of your furry friend. Embrace the synergy of modern technology and outdoor pursuits as we unveil the advantages of incorporating GPS tracking collars into your hunting adventures. Stay connected, stay in control, and elevate your hunting partnership with your loyal companion to new heights. Number 5. Portable solar chargers. Embrace the power of the sun with our 5th essential gadget for outdoor enthusiasts. Portable solar chargers. In the wild, where keeping your gadgets charged is a constant challenge, these innovative devices are a game changer. Designed for adventurers, these compact and lightweight solar chargers harness sunlight to replenish your device's energy, providing a sustainable and eco-friendly power solution. Discover the versatility of these chargers, capable of reviving your smartphones, GPS devices, and other gadgets essential for a successful hunting expedition. Gain insights into their efficiency, durability, and convenience as we explore how portable solar chargers become indispensable companions for outdoor enthusiasts seeking to stay connected and powered during extended ventures into the wilderness. Stay tuned for a brighter, sustainable way to keep your gear charged and ready for action in the great outdoors. Number 6. Smart Hunting Apparel. Calling all tech-savvy hunters. Our 6th spotlighted gadget is the epitome of innovation: Smart Hunting Apparel. Witness the integration of cutting-edge technology into your gear, transforming the hunting clothing landscape. Step into the future of hunting attire, where intelligent design meets outdoor functionality. Smart Hunting Apparel goes beyond conventional gear, offering features like built-in heating elements to keep you warm during chilly pursuits and moisture-wicking fabrics that adapt to varying conditions. Whether it's tracking through rugged terrain or enduring unpredictable weather, Smart Hunting Apparel ensures you stay comfortable and focused on the thrill of the hunt. Number 7. Compact Drone for Reconnaissance. Elevate your hunting strategy to new heights with our 7th featured gadget, Compact Drones for Reconnaissance. Ever wished for eyes in the sky during your hunting expedition? These lightweight and agile drones serve as your aerial scouts, providing real-time surveillance and invaluable insights into the terrain. Explore their compact design, ease of use, and advanced features that make them an indispensable tool for hunters. From scouting game trails to assessing the lay of the land, compact drones for Reconnaissance revolutionize the way you approach hunting, giving you a strategic advantage. Number 8. Smart Rifle Scopes. Cap off your hunting gear collection with our 8th and final must-have gadget, Smart Rifle Scopes. Brace yourself for the pinnacle of high-tech optics as we unravel how these cutting-edge devices introduce a new era of precision to your shots. Say goodbye to conventional scopes and welcome a new era where intelligence meets marksmanship. Smart Rifle Scopes are designed to provide real-time data, ballistic calculations, and even augmented reality overlays all within your line of sight. Explore how these optics adapt to different environmental conditions, offering enhanced clarity and ensuring you never miss a crucial shot. The game-changing features that make Smart Rifle Scopes an essential companion for hunters seeking the utmost in accuracy and performance. Whether you're a seasoned marksman or a novice in the field, these high-tech optics are set to redefine the way you approach every shot, enhancing your overall hunting prowess. And there you have it, folks, the 8 coolest hunting gadgets ever. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tech-filled adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your fellow hunters, and subscribe for more thrilling tech content. Until next time, happy hunting and stay tech savvy.